Sitting right on the famous white sand of Cancun's hotel zone, the Royal Solaris Cancun is one of those classic all-inclusive resorts that has been pulling in families and sun-seekers for years. It carries a 4-star rating on most platforms, sits along the lively Boulevard Cucucan at kilometer 25, and offers that easy, no need to leave the property kind of vacation that working folks dream about all winter. The reviewer behind this look at the property spent time digging into what guests actually say, what the hotel offers, and where it shines or falls short. The goal here is to paint an honest picture for anyone weighing whether to book a stay. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's take a walk through everything the Royal Solaris has going on. The rooms at the Royal Solaris Cancun are split into 4 main categories, and each one is built around the simple idea of giving guests a comfortable home base after a long day at the beach. The deluxe lagoon view room sleeps up to 4 people and comes with either one king bed or 2 doubles, looking out toward the calm lagoon side of the resort. Guests get the usual essentials like air conditioning, a flat-screen television, free Wi-Fi, a minibar, a safe, and a bathroom with a shower. There is also a hairdryer, an iron with board, and 24-hour room service for those late-night cravings. It is not a flashy room, but it covers the bases for a family or a small group. Step up a notch and you reach the deluxe ocean view, which trades the lagoon for that postcard turquoise water of the Caribbean. Same bedding options, same in-room amenities, but with a balcony or window that puts the sea front and center. For couples who want something a little more romantic, the deluxe ocean view with jacuzzi sleeps 2 and adds a private hot tub right inside the room along with a king bed and ocean balcony. Families with more bodies to pack in will appreciate the family room, which fits up to 5 guests using a king bed paired with a bunk or sofa bed setup. Reviewers have been honest that the rooms feel a bit dated and could use a refresh, but most agree they are kept very clean and comfortable, which is what matters most after a day in the sun. When it comes to food and drink, the Royal Solaris keeps things varied enough that nobody should go hungry, even picky eaters in the group. Las Fuentes is the main international buffet, handling breakfast, lunch, and dinner with the kind of wide spread you expect at a big all-inclusive. Marco Polo is the more elevated option, a sit-down a la carte spot serving international and gourmet plates in the evening, and it welcomes both adults and families. Then there is Rosmarinus, another buffet but with an ocean view terrace that makes lunch and themed dinners feel a little more special. For lighter cravings or kids who just want something familiar, Pizzalissima cranks out made-to-order pizza and snacks throughout the day. The bar scene is laid back and built for vacation pacing. The lobby bar is the go-to for cocktails, mixed drinks, and light snacks while you decompress between activities. Down at the water, the pool bar and swim-up bar lets guests stay in the water while ordering whatever is on the menu, which honestly is one of the great joys of an all-inclusive. Reviews on the food are mixed in a pretty typical way for resorts of this size, with some guests calling the variety solid and others saying the buffet can get repetitive after a few days. A few have also pointed out that snagging a reservation at the a la carte spot can take some planning, so booking early in your stay is the smart move. The pool and beach setup is genuinely one of the strongest parts of staying at the Royal Solaris. The property sits directly on a stretch of soft white sand beach that is consistently called beautiful in guest reviews, with calm, clear water that is great for swimming and floating around. There are multiple outdoor pools on the property, including a main pool that becomes the social hub during the day and a separate kids' pool for the little ones. The big draw for families is the on-site water park area with slides built specifically for children, which keeps the kids busy for hours while parents grab a drink nearby. Loungers and shaded spots are spread along both the pool deck and the beach, though more than a few honest reviewers warn that early risers tend to claim chairs with towels before breakfast is even served. For guests who want to get out on the water rather than just look at it, the resort shares marina access with the broader Solaris complex, which opens the door to non-motorized water sports. That usually means activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and similar gear that comes with the all-inclusive package. The beach itself is part of the wider hotel zone shoreline, so walking along the sand can stretch as long as you want. Between the pools, the slides, the swim-up bar, and the ocean just steps away, there is rarely a reason to leave the property if water is your thing. It is the kind of layout that makes a full day disappear in the best possible way. Beyond the water, the Royal Solaris keeps guests moving with a daily activity program that runs from morning until late at night. There is a fitness center on site for those who want to keep up a workout routine even on vacation, which is more important than people admit when buffets are involved. Tennis is listed among the facilities, though there is some back and forth across booking sites about whether the court is right at the Royal Solaris or shared with a sister property within the Solaris complex. Either way, guests interested in a match should ask at the front desk on arrival to confirm. The entertainment team gets praised consistently in reviews for being energetic and genuinely fun, running poolside games, dance classes, and group activities throughout the day. Nights at the resort have a real rhythm to them, with live music, themed shows, and stage performances that get many guests calling out the entertainment as a highlight of their stay. One returning family on TripAdvisor said this was their third visit and the entertainment team kept getting better. While the resort leans heavily toward leisure rather than deep cultural programming, the location itself is close to genuine cultural and archaeological sites, which lets guests mix in a day of learning if they want it. The mix of organized fun and the option to head out exploring gives the place a flexible feel that works for very different types of travelers. The spa and wellness side of the Royal Solaris offers a quieter counterweight to all the action by the pool. The on-site spa provides massages and a range of treatments aimed at melting away the stress that working folks bring with them when they finally take a vacation. Hot tub access is part of the wider facility setup, giving guests a place to soak after a long day on the sand or a busy night at the shows. While the spa is not pitched as a full destination wellness center with extensive detox programs or elaborate hydrotherapy circuits, it covers the basics that most resort guests are looking for. A massage on the beach side of Cancun is hard to beat, no matter how simple the menu. For travelers who like to keep moving even on vacation, the fitness center on the property supports light cardio and strength workouts. Yoga and similar wellness sessions are not heavily advertised as a structured daily program, but the activity team often weaves stretching and light movement into the daytime schedule. Guests interested in a deeper wellness focus might combine spa treatments with quiet beach walks at sunrise, when the hotel zone is at its most peaceful. The wellness offerings here are best thought of as a nice add-on to the vacation rather than the main reason to book, but they round out the experience well. Because this is a family-friendly resort rather than an adults-only retreat, the kids' club and children's activities deserve real attention. The supervised kids club gives parents a break and gives children a safe spot to play, make friends, and burn off energy with planned games and crafts. The mini water park with slides built for younger guests is consistently called out in reviews as a favorite, with one Expedia traveler saying the kids loved it so much they did not want to leave. There is also a playground on the property for kids who want to run around outside of the water. Together, these features turn the resort into a place where parents can actually relax knowing the children are entertained. Beyond the structured programs, the nightly entertainment often includes shows that work for the whole family, from music performances to themed evening events. The shared pool areas and the friendly, attentive staff create a setting where children feel comfortable quickly. Reviews from families repeatedly highlight how their kids did not want the trip to end, which is probably the highest compliment a family resort can earn. For parents trying to find a vacation that does not turn into a second job of constant entertainment duty, the Royal Solaris is set up to share that load. It is one of the clearest reasons the property keeps drawing repeat family visitors year after year. Step outside the resort gates and there is plenty to explore within a short ride. Playa Delfines, one of the most photographed public beaches in Cancun, is only about 1–2 kilometers away and is famous for that giant colorful Cancun sign people line up to photograph. Just a bit further at around 1.5 kilometers sits the El Rey Archaeological Zone, a small but fascinating Maya ruin site where iguanas roam freely between the ancient stones. The Mirador Cancun scenic viewpoint is also about 1.3 kilometers away and gives stunning overlooks of the coast. For a bigger day out, Ventura Park is roughly 5 kilometers away with rides and water attractions, while the Museo Maya de Cancun at about 7 kilometers offers a deeper dive into the region's history. Shopping fans have La Isla Shopping Village around 8 kilometers up the boulevard, blending stores with restaurants and waterfront views. The Cancun Interactive Aquarium sits about 1 kilometers away for another family-friendly afternoon, and Playa Balinas at 8 kilometers offers another gorgeous stretch of sand. Travelers willing to head a bit further can reach Puerto Cancun Marina Town Center at around 5 kilometers, which mixes a marina vibe with dining and shops. Cancun International Airport is only about 11 kilometers away, making arrivals and departures pretty painless. The location really does deliver on the promise of having everything within easy reach. Looking at the overall picture, the Royal Solaris Cancun earns review scores around 7.7 on Booking, roughly 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, and about 8 out of 10 on Expedia, which paints it as a solid and consistent choice rather than a flashy luxury knockout. The strengths come up over and over again in guest comments: friendly and attentive staff, a beautiful beach, fun entertainment, strong family appeal, and good value for the price. The location score in particular is one of the highest marks the property earns, which speaks to how well placed it is in the hotel zone. For travelers who want a stress-free, all-inclusive base with the beach right outside the door, it delivers. The weaker points are also pretty consistent and worth knowing before booking. Several reviewers mention the rooms feel dated and could benefit from a renovation, even if they are clean and comfortable. The buffet variety can wear thin over a longer stay. Getting a reservation at the A La Carte restaurant takes some planning, and the pool area can fill up early with chair-saving guests. Some have also noted that check-in lines and elevator waits can get long during peak times. None of these are deal breakers for a value-focused vacation, but they shape expectations in a useful way. What really sets the Royal Solaris apart is the combination of its prime beachfront location, the genuinely strong family programming, and the value it offers compared to many flashier neighbors. The on-site water park with kid-sized slides is a standout feature that not every resort of this size matches. The entertainment team gets called out by name in countless reviews for making the evenings memorable, which is the kind of thing money cannot really buy. Direct access to one of the prettiest stretches of hotel zone sand seals the deal for travelers who care most about where they will spend their days. Add in the proximity to ruins, museums, shopping, and the airport, and the package becomes hard to argue with for the price. While the Royal Solaris is primarily a leisure resort, it does offer some meeting and business space for smaller events and group gatherings. The setup is limited compared to dedicated convention hotels, but it can handle modest meetings, family reunions, and similar group bookings. Travelers planning a larger event would want to contact the property directly to confirm what is available and what fits their needs. For most guests, though, the property leans far more into vacation than business, and that is exactly what they are coming for. The guest experience highlights that come up time and again paint a clear picture of what makes a stay here memorable. Staff get praised by name in many reviews for going out of their way to help, remember preferences, and add small personal touches that turn a vacation into a story worth telling. Families talk about kids making friends at the water park, couples mention sunset moments on the beach, and repeat guests describe coming back year after year because the place just feels comfortable. The nightly shows, the swim-up bar conversations with strangers who become friends by the end of the trip, and the simple joy of walking barefoot from the room to the sand all add up. For working-class travelers looking to truly unplug without overspending, the Royal Solaris Cancun delivers exactly the kind of vacation it promises. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.